ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं शवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 541। दिस इज मूर्तामूर्त ब्राह्मण, तृतीय ब्राह्मण, and in this Brahma, which is pointed out as Vishishta, in that Brahma, the Visheshana or Upadhi has to be eliminated in understanding, because it is said Savishesham Brahma and Nirvishesham Brahma. So Brahma Pratipadanam is done in two ways in Shastra. We saw that. That same Brahma which is pointed out as Savishesham, when the Upadhis are eliminated, then that Brahma will be pointed out as Nirvishesham. Okay. See in Tika, third line from the bottom. द्वे वाव इत्यादि श्रुते है सोपाधिकम ब्रह्म रूपम विवृणोति। द्वे वाव इत्यादि श्रुते है सोपाधिकम ब्रह्म, सोपाधिक ब्रह्म is described first. Light. भाष्य पंचभूत, भाष्य second line from top. तत्र द्विरूपम ब्रह्म पंचभूत जनित कार्यकरण संबद्धम मूर्तामूर्ताख्यम मर्त्य अमृत स्वभावम। द्विरूपम ब्रह्म, Brahma is of two forms, means two identities. One is Panchabhuta Janita Karya Karana Sambandham, associated with the Panchamahabhuta and Tajjanita Karya Karanatmaka Jagat. Murta Murtakhyam Martya Amrita Swabhavam. Murta and Amurta, Martya and Amrita. Tajjanita Vasana Rupam cha and Tajjanita Vasana Murta Murta Janita means Panchamahabhuta Janita Vasana. Rupam cha sarvagnyam sarvashakti sopakhyam bhavati. That Brahma is sopakhyam. Sopakhyam. सोपाख्यम शब्द सीटी का शब्द प्रत्यय विषयत्वम सोपाख्यत्वम व्युत्पत्ति इज नॉट गिवन शब्द प्रत्यय विषयत्वम सोपाख्यत्वम that which is the vishaya of shabda and pratyaya shabdascha pratyayascha shabda pratyayau tayoho vishayatvam shabda pratyaya vishayatvam means it is the vishaya of vani and it is vishaya of mind vang manasoho gocharatvam vang manasoho gocharatvam vakcha manascha iti वाक्च मनश्च इति वांग मनसे और वांग मनसी ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स वाक्च मनश्च इति वाक कैन यू हियर मी ऑनलाइन
Yes, Swamiji.
वाक्च
Manasah.
वांग मनसे व्हाट इज द सूत्र अचतुर सी एंड टेल the sutra is there in that
Yes.
sutra
Vichaturla Suchaturla Sri Pumsa Thenvana Tuha Riksama Wang Manasa Akshitrova
that's it.
Talakava Urva Shtiva Patashtiva. Yeah.
Yes. Vang manasa. So, in all these shabdas which are in the pair, what happens is, if they don't, they will have ach pratyaya. So, sakaranta shabda will become akaranta shabda. Manas will become manasa. Then it will decline like vanam or vana. So, vanam vane. Manas manase it will become. So that Brahma which is Shabda Pratyaya Vishayam is Sopakya. Nirupadhikam Brahma Rupam Darshayati. Bhashya. Now, what is Nirupadhikam Brahma? Tadeva Brahma. Vigata Sarvopadhi Vishesham. Samyak Darshana Vishayam. Ajam Ajaram Amritam Abhayam. Vang Manasayoho. See, Vang Manasayoho Api Avishayam. Advaitatvat neti neti iti nirdishyate. That which is samyak darshana vishayam means that is the correct understanding. Samyak darshana means correct understanding. Samyak darshana vishayam ajam ajaram amritam abhayam vigata sarva upadhi vishesham. Vigatani sarvopadhi visheshani yasmat tat vigata sarvopadhi vishesham. That from which all upadhi visheshas are gone. So how we should understand Dandi Devadatta. Devadatta has Danda as its Visheshana. Devadatta is Visheshya. Devadatta is Danda Vishishta. So when we get the knowledge is of Danda Devadatta Sambandha. Visheshana Visheshya Sambandha. All this knowledge comes together. In this way, when Brahma is known as Panchabhuta Janita Karyakarana Sambandham Brahma. Tajjanita Vasana Rupam Sambandham Brahma. Sarvajnam Sarvashakti. In this way, Brahma becomes known first. Then what we have to do? This. Vigata Sarva Upadhi Vishesham. How to remove all the Upadhis? Neti Neti. By negation. That this doesn't belong to Brahma. Brahma exists without this. Advaitatvat. Neti Neti iti nirdishyate. It is adhyasa, one type of samanadikaranyam is there. Adhyasa samanadikaranyam. Nirvishesham param brahma sakshat kartum anishvara. Ye mandas tenu kampyante savishesha nirupanaihi. In Brahma Sutra, on Bhamati, there is one tika, Parimal. In that, this shloka comes. This is given in Vedanta Paribhasha also. Savishesha Nirupanam is only because my buddhi is not ready to recognize Nirvishesha. In other words, I am too much identified with my body. The bottom line of this is this only. When I am identified with my deha, neither I can understand myself as Nirvishesha or Drashta. I want to see myself as Drishya. And I want others also as Drishya. They are also not Drashta for me. So then I need Savishesha. Because I am Savishesha. Nirupadik Brahma Tadeva iti. Tadeva Brahma. Evam Bhumikam Acharaya Aksharani Vyakaroti. In this way, Acharya has done Bhumika. Bhumikam Acharaya. Having prepared the Bhumika for this, Aksharani Vyakaroti. In Bhashya, Tatra Yad Apoha Dwarena Neti Neti iti Nirdishyate Brahma Te Ete Dve Vava. Vava Shabdo Avadharanartha. Dve Vava. See in the mantra, previous page. Mantra number 1, previous page. That Dve Vava Brahmana Rupe Murtan Chaiva Murtancha Martyancha Amrutancha Sthitancha Yaccha Satcha Tyaccha Dve Vava Brahmana Rupe. Brahma has two rupa. Dve, how Dve Shabda will be formed? Dve, what kind of Shabda it is? Dve is in Strilinga as well as Napunsakalinga. Here it is Brahmana Rupam. Rupam is Napunsakalinga, therefore Dve is Napunsakalinga. It's Dvivachana only, Nitya Dvivachana. So Dva and Au, because there is no Su, there is no Jas Ityadi, only Au. Dva Au Tyadadi Namaha. So Dve Au Dva Au. Actually, it is Dvi. Dvi Pratipadika will be there. Dvi Au, it will become Dva. Then it is Napunsakalinga, Napunsaka Cha. She will become E. Then Dwa E Nadichi Dve Adguna. So two are Brahmano Rupam. What are they? So for each, 4 words are used. First pair is Murtam Amurtam. Murtam Amurtam. Martyam Amritam. Sthitam Yat. Sat Tyat. Sthitam means Parichinnam. Yat means Vyapakam. In Hindi, they have given the meaning. Sthita means Parichinna and Yat means Vyapaka. And Sat and Tyat, Murtam means that which has form. So Prithvi, Jal, Teja will be Murta. Vayu, Akasha will be Amurta. This is one division. Murtam, Amurtam. Martyam, Amritam. Amritam means not that Vayu, Akasha are Amrita. Only thing you should understand, Vayu, Akasha are relatively Amrita. Because Ghata Patadi, you see their Nasha more frequently. Vayu Akasha, we don't see Nasha. It is only when Pralaya is going to happen. Martyamcha Amritancha. Sthitan, Vyapak, Parichinna and Vyapaka. So Vayu Akasha are Vyapaka. Prithvi, Jal, Teja are Parichinna. And Sat and Tyat. Sat means Pratyakshena Anubhuyamanatvat Sat. That which is Pratyaksha Anubhuta is Sat. That which is Paroksha is called Tyat here. Again, come back to Bhashya now. ते एते द्वे वाव. वाव शब्दो अवधारणार्थः. अवधारणार्थः. How will you do समास विग्रह? अवधारणम अर्थो यस्य सः अवधारणार्थः. कः? शब्दः. शब्द इज पुल्लिंग. वाव शब्दो अवधारणार्थः. Avadharanam artho. There is another way to do vigraha of this also. Both are correct. Whenever they have artha at the end, avadharanaya ayam, because it is for this in the sense of chaturthi. Avadharanaya ayam. Like if they say prayojanartham, like in Bhashya you will see in the Upodghata Bhashya etc. Prayojanartham. So, prayojanaya idam, for this prayojanam is called prayojanartham. Vyakhya arabhyate, like that Bhashyakar will give. Dve eva ityartha. There are only two. Dve eva. Brahman in Bhashya. Brahmana Paramatmano Rupe Rupyate Yabhyam Arupam Param Brahma Avidya Adhyaropyamanabhyam Dve Rupe Kasya Brahmanaha. What is Brahma? Paramatma. Brahmanaha Paramatmano Dve Rupe Rupyate Yabhyam. Yabhyam Rupyate, that by which Brahma Nirupanam is done. Yabhyam Arupam Brahma Nirupyate. Yabhyam Kabhyam Murta Murtabhyam Murta Murtabhyam Arupam Brahma Nirupyate. Which Brahma? Brahma avidya adhyaropya manabhyam. That Brahma which has this roop, Rupam also, Murtam also and Amurtam also, both are avidya adhyaropita. Avidya adhyaropya manabhyam. Tika. द्वे रूप्ये सति इति यावत्. द्वे रूप्ये सति, when there are two rupas. Sorry, द्वै रूप्ये सति. द्वैरूप्यम. द्वैरूप्ये सति. That is correct. द्वैरूप्ये. Another, that tika also I want pointing out, the tippani in the last session on page number 539, 7 number tippani. It is correct only, but I was just having doubts. Kadachana na pratipadyate adyatvena. That adyatvena is correct. In Bhashya now, see the next part. Ke te dve, what are those two rupa? Murtam chaiva, murtam evacha. Amurtam chaiva, tatha amurtam cha, amurtam evacha ityartha. So the mantra says, Murtam chaiva, murtam cha. Correct? Mantra says like that. Murtam chaiva, murtam cha. So Bhashya says, Murtam chaiva, murtam evacha. Tatha amurtam eva, amurtancha amurtamevacha ityartha. So Tikakar says amurtancha iti atra chakarat eva kara anushaktihi. Means what you should understand is Murtam is Murtam alone. Amurtam is Amurtam alone. Murtam chaiva means Murtam eva. Amurtam means Amurtam eva. Now, Bhashyakar has written this way. Mantra says, Murtam chaiva, Amurtam cha. So, in Murtam there is eva. In Amurtam, there is no eva. So, Tikakar says, Amurtam cha iti atra chakarat eva kara. Instead of cha, you should understand eva. Chakarat eva kara anushakti. And this in Tippani 18 and 19 you see. Nanu amurtam eva cha iti katham bhashyam. How did you write amurtam eva cha? Eva karasya amurtam cha iti atra ashrutehe ataha aha murtam cha iti atra. So that's why Bhashya said Murtam chaiva means Murtam eva cha. Amurtam means Amurtam eva. Further, Tika. Vivakshita brahmano rupadvayam avadharitam chen martyatvadini vakshamana visheshanani avadharana virodhat ayuktani iti ashankya aha. Vivakshita brahmano rupadvayam avadharitam chet. Of this Brahma, Vivakshita, whose Vivaksha is there? Whose Vivaksha is there? Brahma, which is Nirupadika, Nirvishesha. That is the Vivaksha. Why this is the Vivaksha? Because Ajatashatru wanted to hear about Nirvishesha, Nirguna Brahma. Palaki came and said, Brahmate Bravani. Right? What did he say? Brahmate Bravani. And he started talking about Savishesha, Saguna Brahma. And Ajatashatru said, I know this, don't tell me this, don't tell me. When Balaki understood that this is all I know, I don't know anything more. So then Ajatashatru said, now I will teach you Nirvishesha, Nirguna Brahman. So what is the Mukhya Vivaksha is of this Nirvishesha. So that is why the completion of the teaching of Ajatashatru is with this, where culmination is in Neti Neti. That whole thing ends here. That's why Vivakshita Brahma, Vivaksha is of Nirvishesha. That ultimate Vivaksha is of Nirupadika. So here, even if they have given Sopadika for 16 number, you should understand with Murta, with these two Rupa, it is Sopadika, then with Neti Neti, it will be Nirupadika, because final teaching is only of Nirvishesha. Vivakshita Brahmano Rupadvayam Avadharitam. So here, Rupadvayavan Brahma Avadharitam Chen Martyatwadini Vakshamana Visheshanani Avadharana Virodhat. Martyatwadini, all the Martyam, and if Purvapakshi, what is he saying? If Murtam and Amurtam, only these two you want to show, then why Martyam, Amritam, Yat, Sthitam, and Yat, Sat, and Tyat? Why all these other things are talked about of Brahma? Because that is not where Avadharanam is required. This is the question. Vakshamana Visheshanani Avadharana Virodhat, because Avadharanam is of Murta Murta and all other Visheshanas are not needed. Ayuktani iti ashankyaha Antaranita Swatma Visheshane Murta Murte Dve Eva iti Avadhariyate. Antaranita Swatma Visheshane. All the other Visheshanas are included in there. Murta in Tika. Murta Murtayor Antarbhavitani Swatmani Yani Visheshanani Tani Akanksha Dwara Darshete. Those other Visheshanas which are included in Murta Murta. Murta Murtayoho Antarbhavitani Swatmani Yani Visheshanani. Those Visheshanas which are included in that. Tani Visheshanani Akanksha Dwara Darsheti. What are those? Kani Punastani in Bhashya. Visheshanani Murta Murtayor Ityuchante. Martyam cha Martyancha means one shabda. What is Martyam? Martyam Marana Dharmyam. Marana Dharmyam. What is the sutra? Dharmyam.
Karma Pati Artha Nyaya Nyayantana Pedam Pede.
But here the shabda is Marana Dharmi. Amritam cha. Martya means Marana Dharmi. And Amritam cha. Amritam also. Marana Dharma and Amarana Dharma. Tad viparitam sthitan cha parichinnan. Sthitam means parichinnam. Gati purvakam. Stha dhatu is Stha dhatu is what? Gati nivruttav. Stha gati nivruttav. So that is what is given here. Tad viparitam sthitancha parichinna. Gati purvakam yat sthasnu. Sthasnu means sthitam. There where gati is removed is called stha. Means thanu. Sthasnu means thanus form. And yat cha yati iti. That ya dhatu is gatyarthaka. Yat cha yati yad vyapya परिच्छिन्नम, स्वामी जी, परिच्छिन्नम, यद व्याप्य परिच्छिन्नम स्थित विपरीतम याति इति यत्, how भाष्यकार gives याति इति यत् व्याप्य परिच्छिन्नम स्थित विपरीतम, that which is different from that which is स्थितम, स्थित विपरीतम। सच्च, सत इति अन्येभ्यो विशेष्यमाण असाधारण धर्म विशेषवत्, and सच्च, सत is अन्येभ्यो विशेष्यमाण असाधारण धर्म विशेषवत्। अन्येभ्यः, from the other. Before that, let's see टीका one line. यद गति पूर्वकम स्थास्नु तत् परिच्छिन्नम स्थितम इति योजना। That which has gati, gamanam, it is possible only when it is परिच्छिन्न। गति निवृत्तौ, that is the धातु, इति योजना। And what is sat and tyat? How many visheshanas are there total for each? 4. What are they? Murta,
Murtam, Murta, Martya, Amritam, Sthita, Yat, Sat, Tyat.
Murta and Amurta is one pair. Then Martya, Amrita is another pair. So we should count this way. Murta, Martya, Sthita, Sat. That those are together. So what is Sat in Tika? Parichinnam is Sthita Viparitam that we saw. Sthitam is Parichinnam, right? No, this is how you yati iti yat vyapi aparichinnam. That padacheda is like that. That is what I was wondering. Yad vyapi aparichinnam sthita viparitam. What is aparichinnam is sthita viparitam, and what is sthitam is parichinnam. Clear? स्थित विपरीतम। सच्च सत इति अन्येभ्यो विशेष्यमाण असाधारण धर्म विशेषवत्। व्हाट इज सत? अन्येभ्यो विशेष्यमाण असाधारण धर्म विशेषवत्, विशेषवान। व्हाट इज दैट इन टीका? विशेष्यमाणत्वम प्रत्यक्षेण उपलभ्यमानत्वम। दैट व्हिच इज प्रत्यक्षेण उपलभ्यमान, that will be called Sat. And the other, Tyaccha tad viparitam in Bhashya. Tyad iti eva sarvada paroksha abhidanarham. Tyad is that which is paroksha. Paroksha abhidanarham, sarvada. That is, Ghata also can be paroksha at some time, but not sarvada. But Akash and Vayu will be sarvada paroksha. Paroksha abhidanarham. What is arham? Yogya. Arham means Yogya. With this first mantra is over. Further now, Tika, Bhashya. Tatra chatushtaya visheshana vishishtam murtam tatha amurtam cha. So chatushtaya visheshana vishishtam, 4 visheshanas are there for all. Murtam and amurtam. Tatra kani murta visheshanani Kani cha itarani iti vibhajyate. Which one are the murta visheshanas and which ones are the amurta visheshana? Their vibhaga is being done. टीका तत्र इति निर्धारणार्था सप्तमी. तत्र is निर्धारणार्था सप्तमी. See mantra now. तदेतन्मूर्तं यदन्यद् वायोश्चान्तरिक्षाच्च एतन्मर्त्यम् एतत्स्थितम् एतत्सत् तस्य एतस्य मूर्तस्य एतस्य मर्त्यस्य एतस्य स्थितस्य एतस्य सत एष रसो एष रसो य एष तपति सतो ह्येष रसः. तदेतन्मूर्तं. What is मूर्तं? यद अन्यद वायोश्च अंतरिक्षाच्च. वायोः अन्यद अंतरिक्षाच्च अन्यद. That which is different from vayu and antariksha. That is मूर्तं. एतन् मर्त्यम एतत् स्थितम एतत् सत्. So this मूर्तं is मर्त्यम स्थितम सत्. तस्य एतस्य मूर्तस्य of this मूर्त मर्त्य स्थित and सत् satah esha rasoho esha rasah. This is the rasa. Rasa means essence. What is that? Ya esha tapati sato hi esha rasah. This solar disk savitri tapati. So 1 number tippani says sarah is karyam and 2nd number tippani mandalam. So ya esha tapati mandalam surya mandalam. This is the satah hi esha hai rasah. This is the rasa of sat. In टीका तत्र प्रत्येकं मूर्ता मूर्त चतुष्टय विशेषणवत्वे सति इति यावत्. Because each one has 4 visheshanas, so which visheshana belongs to which one, that is being discussed. Katham स्थितत्वे अपि मर्त्यत्वं तत्र. Before that, भाष्य. First line, भाष्य. तदेतन् मूर्तं मूर्छित अवयवम् इतरेतर अनुप्रविष्टावयवम् घनं संहतम् इत्यर्थः. मूर्तं, what is मूर्तं? मूर्छित अवयवम् इतरेतर अनुप्रविष्ट अवयवम् घनं. Whose avayava मूर्छित here means whose parts are not moving, and itaretar anupravishta avayava, whose avayavas are not entering in one another. How? It is ghanam samhatam. This is called murtam. Like a rock is murtam. In tika, Hindi tika, they have given translation. Murchita means kathin avayava. Ghana. Ghanam samhatam ityartha. Kim tat yad anyat kasmat anyat. Kim tat, what is that? It is tad anyat. It is different. Different from what? Kasmad anyat. Vayoscha antarikshacha. It is different from Vayu and antariksha. Bhutatvayat, from the 2 Mahabhuta. Parisheshat Prithiviyadi Bhutatrayam etan martyam. This Prithiviyadi Bhutatraya is martyam. Yadetan murtakhyam Bhutatrayam idam martyam maranadharmi. Yadetan murtakhyam Bhutatrayam idam. It is the 3 Mahabhutas. Martyam, maranadharmi, that which has maranadharma. Kasmat, yasmat, sthitam etat, because it is sthitam. Anyashritam. 6 number tippani says sthitam means anyashritam, that which has ashraya in something else. That's why it is maranadharmi. टीका कथम स्थितत्वे अपि मर्त्यत्वम तत्र. Why it is स्थितम and still मर्त्यम? Because परिच्छिन्नम ही अर्थांतरेण संप्रयुज्यमानम विरुध्यते. It is परिच्छिन्नम. परिच्छिन्न वस्तु, when it gets associated with something, then it will perish. It will have nasha. अर्थांतरेण संप्रयुज्यमानम विरुध्यते. दृष्टांत यथा घटः स्तंभकूड्यादिना. Just as a घट associates with स्तंभ कूड्य इत्यादि, तथा मूर्तम स्थितम परिच्छिन्नम अर्थांतर संबंधी तथो अर्थांतर विरोधात मर्त्यम एतत्. When it gets associated with something else, it becomes different. It is martyam. Like earlier it was ghataha. Now it is parts. सविशेष्यमाण असाधारण धर्मवत्. सविशेष्यमाण असाधारण धर्मवत् means what is the asadharana dharma? Pratyakshena upalabhyamanam, that we saw in the previous one. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.